Hello, in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can sign up for eToro. So first, go to your browser, type in eToro, and then go to the first link or the link down in the description. Once that is loaded, you want to click the button, Join eToro. After that, it says sign in here. We do not want to do that. We want to come down here and press sign up to register an account. Change to your preferred email address. Fix your username. Accept the terms and conditions after reading them. And then press create account. And just like that, your account is created. This is so you can use the virtual profile. To complete your profile, you must answer up to a deposit of 2,000 euros, or by fully completing your profile, removing your disposal limitations. Fill out the details here. And make sure to select your gender. After that, type in your address